In a small village surrounded by rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Priya. She came from a humble family, but her heart was full of dreams. Priya loved plants and often helped her parents in their small garden. She admired the large, colorful flowers in the village gardens and dreamed of growing her own beautiful plants one day. One summer, the village announced a gardening competition. The winner would receive a special award and a scholarship to the town's best school. Priya's heart leapt with excitement. She wanted to participate, but the garden needed a lot of preparation, and she knew it would take months of hard work. Her neighbors laughed at her. "Priya, you don't have fancy seeds or tools. How can you possibly win?" they said. But Priya didn't let their words discourage her. She believed in hard work and decided to give it her best. Every morning, before school, Priya watered the plants, removed weeds, and carefully tended to the soil. She studied different flowers in books, learning which ones could survive the hot summer and bloom beautifully. Her hands were often dirty, and her back ached, but she kept going. One day, a sudden storm hit the village. Many plants in the community garden were damaged, and some villagers gave up on their projects. Priya's garden was also affected, but she refused to quit. She spent the next several days repairing the soil, replanting the damaged seedlings, and protecting them from further storms. Weeks passed, and Priya's dedication began to show results. Tiny buds appeared, and soon her garden was filled with vibrant, colorful flowers. Butterflies and bees visited daily, and even the neighbors started noticing her beautiful garden. On the day of the competition, villagers gathered to see all the gardens. Priya's garden stood out with its variety of flowers, healthy plants, and neat arrangements. The judges carefully inspected each garden and finally announced, "The winner of this year's gardening competition is Priya." The crowd cheered, and Priya's parents hugged her tightly. She had not only won the award but also earned the admiration and respect of the entire village. Priya realized that it wasn't luck or special tools that brought her success. It was patience, persistence, and hard work. From that day on, Priya continued to care for her garden, knowing that every seed she planted was a step toward her dreams. She also helped other children in the village learn about gardening, sharing her knowledge and encouraging them to work hard for what they wanted. Priya's story spread throughout the village and became an inspiration. Everyone understood that dreams could come true, but only when combined with dedication and consistent effort. Moral: hard work, patience, and persistence always bear fruit, even in the face of challenges.